Delivery received. This is gonna be for the tonight's program for the poor kids of Hanoi. It will be convened under the bridge of Long Bien. See you tonight. Well, I also want to extend my gratitude to Sir Jared of Oishi and Sir Russell for accommodating my increase about their bim bims, their snack, and of course we're giving away some bim bim to the kids. And of course, we would like to extend our gratitude to Madam President Amy of Pinoy sa Hanoi and Honorable Chairman June Felix K for extending the donations coming from our dear sponsors. Salamat ng marami. I also want to extend my gratitude to Teacher Sam of Synergy Scholastic Consulting System for giving me an errand, okay, and of course to Mr. T, who actually gave me the privilege to be part of the Mid-Autumn Festival for the less fortunate kids of the city capital of Hanoi. Medyo nahimasmasan na. Choy oy. Kapit ka, bayanihan.
Well, we're deep inside the city, and we just couldn't find the place where the Mid-Autumn Festival charity happens. At umuulan pa man din. Ay naku, kinakabahan na ako. Saan na ba tayo napunta? Bali, ito yung tiyatahak naming landas ngayon, no? Sa 12 taon kong panirahan sa Vietnam, specifically sa Hanoi, this is actually the first time that I've been here, a part of the city that must have been forgotten by time and by maybe economy na masasabi, dahil talagang lubak-lubak pa ang mga kalsada, and then at the same time napakakitid ang madaan, napapaligiran ng mga matataas na damo. Yung aming driver ay nakikipag-cooperate naman na nagkauntog-untog na yung base ng kanyang sasakyan, at hindi naman namin maipilit na sa motorsiklo kami magtutuloy, at ang dami kong naihanda para sa mga bata. But anyway, looking forward, okay, that we're gonna be reaching the spot, okay, really soon. So ayon sa mapa, nasa 100 meters na yung ating destination. Okay, I can notice motorbikes here, so sana dito na yan.
pag-asa. Yan ang dapat hindi pinababayaan. Nilalaban ng lahat, hindi uuro. Handa na kung sumulong na sumulong. Pagtayog ng ating kinabukasan. Yan ang dapat hindi pinababayaan. Nilalaban ng lahat, hindi uuro. Handa na kung sumulong na sumulong. Handa na ako, handa ka na ba? Kasi sama-sama natin bubuuin ang bawat parte ng ating inang bayan. Ito ay bayanihan. Bagong umaga na sisibol at